Hello everybody. In this video we'll understand how matter behaves when it is subjected to different conditions, or rather I say the characteristics of it. So first one is like response to shear stress. Shear spelling is wrong, but so how does solid, liquid or gases behave when it is subjected to a shear stress? That means you're applying a tangential force to the surface and you see how it is behaving. You see, for a solid, it resists total deformation. But in case of a liquid and gas, you saw that when you're applying shear stress, it was continuously deforming. So in that, for a fluid, whether it's liquid or gas, rather than deformation, rate of deformation is more important. So it's resists rate of deformation. Okay. Now we look at compressibility. It's denoted by beta. So you see, if you try to compress a solid, it's literally incompressible, right? And also if you see for a liquid also, if you try to compress it, it's almost virtually incompressible. But though up to some extent the volume get compressed, but that is not, you cannot really identify it. It's very small. But for gas, I think it is highly compressible. You can compress the gas. Now about ability to confirm shape of a container. You put a solid in any container, it will not take shape. But you put a liquid, yes. You put a gas, yes. Ability to expand without limit. If you see, for a solid, you'll see that it doesn't do so, but for a liquid it also doesn't. But for gas, you will see it has the ability to expand, yes. So another characteristics is like ability to exhibit free surface. So for a solid, if you see like that, somebody is placed in a floor, you see there is a free surface which are forming, is interacting with the outside environment or maybe the floor. So it has a free surface. You put a glass of water in it, you have put water in it, you see that there is a free surface formed. So in liquid also you have free surface, in solid you also have. But you put a gas inside this same glass, you see the gas are all escaping out, right? It doesn't exhibit a free surface. Another thing, like ability to expand without limit, solid doesn't do so. You put something, suppose it's a closed container, you put one small solid, it doesn't expand without limit. Also you put some water in it, it doesn't also expand either. But if you put gas in it, it will fill the shape of the whole container it doesn't have any limitation about the size. So without limit, it will occupy the whole volume. So that is an yes for that. And now another thing is like ability to resist small amount of tensile stress. So what is meant by that? So you have a body something like this, and suppose on which you're applying forces away from the body in this manner along the axis of it. So you see that when any body, any matter is subject to this kind of condition, how it is trying to resist. For a solid, you see it's yes, it can resist. For for liquid, you will see yes, theoretically. But practically, if you see, like it's a no for it. And for gas, definitely it cannot resist it. So this is so in a summary what I want to make is how solid, liquid, gas behaves when it is subject to different conditions. That you have to remember. Thank you.